Hello, I am Seema and welcome to part 24 of the chapter Solutions. We were discussing the fourth colligative property, that is osmotic pressure. Let us now solve two numerical problems in order to understand this colligative property better. The first problem that I'm going to solve is your in-text question, that is 2.12. The question reads, calculate the osmotic pressure in pascals exerted by a solution prepared by dissolving 1 gram of a polymer of molar mass 185000. It means if it's the molar mass, it means it is in grams per mole, and in 450 milliliters of water at 37 degrees Celsius. We know osmotic pressure is represented by pi, and pi is equal to CRT, right? Where C is the concentration or molarity. How do you define molarity? Molarity is, so we'll say pi would become equal to, molarity is number of moles of solute, that is N2, upon the volume of the solution in liters, right, into RT, right? And what is number of moles of anything? Number of moles of anything is the mass upon, the mass given upon molar mass. So it would be W2 upon M2 into V into R into T will give you pi, which is osmotic pressure, right? We know that this is, why have I done this? Because what all is given to us, let us have a look. We have to calculate the osmotic pressure, that is we are supposed to calculate pi in pascals. We have to calculate it in pascals. So when we use the gas constant, we should use that value which has pascals in pressure. We have to use that value in which the unit for pressure is pascals. So when unit of pressure is pascals, the value of R is 8.314 into 10 to the power 3 pascals liter per Kelvin. So this is the value of R that we'll be using, the gas constant. So you have to calculate the osmotic pressure in pascals exerted by a solution prepared by dissolving 1 gram of polymer. Now the polymer is the solute, and therefore W2 is equal to 1 gram of the polymer of mass. Now the mass of the polymer, its molar mass is given to us, that is M2 is given to us, which is 18500 grams per mole, right? And the volume of the solution is 450 milliliters, but we need the volume in liters, because what is molarity? Molarity is the number of moles of the solute upon the volume of the solution in liters. So if it is 450 milliliters, in order to turn it into liters, you will take it 3 points here, so it will be equal to 0.45 liters, right? So now we have volume, we have M2, we have W2, we have the value of R, and temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. Again, temperature is capital T, and capital T means it should be the Kelvin temperature. So we'll have to convert the temperature also. Temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, so 37 degrees in Celsius plus 273. 3, you will get the answer in Kelvin. So this will be equal to 310 Kelvin, right? So these are the values that you have. W2, M2, V, T, and this is the value of R. And what are you supposed to calculate? You're supposed to calculate pi. So now let us find out the value of pi by substituting all these values. So pi would become equal to, pi is equal to W2 upon M2 into V into R into T. So this becomes equal to, W2 is 1 gram into, let's write all the numerators first. R is 8.314 into 10 to the power 3 pascal liter per Kelvin, and temperature is 310 Kelvin, divided by, what is M2? 18500 gram per mole, right, into V. And what is V? The volume is 0.45 liters. So now let us cancel out all the units. Gram and gram get cancelled out. Pascal should remain. Liter and liter get cancelled out. Per Kelvin and Kelvin get cancelled out. So you'll get the value of pi, that is osmotic pressure for a mole. So really per mole doesn't really matter. Osmotic pressure, whether it is for 1 mole or more, would remain of the solution, of the solute. The pressure on the whole will remain the same because the concentration of the solution remains the same. So now when you calculate this, you will get the answer, which will be equal to 30.98 pascals, right? Which is approximately equal to 31 pascals. So this was your in-text question, and now we'll do an exercise question before wrapping this video. Give me a moment. So now this is question 2.22. That is the 22nd question of your NCERT textbook exercise. Let's read the question. The question reads that at 300 Kelvin, 36 grams of glucose present in 1 liter of its solution has an osmotic pressure of 4.98 bar. If the osmotic pressure of the solution is 1.52 bars at the same temperature, what would be its concentration? Now the data given in the beginning there's a little data in the question that has been given only to confuse you. Let us first come to the main equation here. What is osmotic pressure? We know pi, osmotic pressure, is equal to CRT, right? Where C is the concentration. So you're required to find out the concentration. So C would be equal to pi over RT, right? C would be equal to pi over RT. Now that is what you have to find out. Now what is pi? What is the osmotic pressure? Osmotic pressure has been given to you. The osmotic pressure, when you add 36 grams of glucose, the osmotic pressure is 4.98 bar. But this is not your solution. Your solution is one that has an osmotic pressure of 1.52 bars. So what is osmotic pressure? Pi for you is 1.52 bar. And since we are talking of bars, the value of R will be the one which has bar in the unit for pressure. So the value is 0.083 bar liter per Kelvin per mole. So that is the value of R that you'll be using. And what's the temperature? The temperature is 300 Kelvin. 300 Kelvin. This is a very simple, straight question with a little confusion that has been put in the beginning, so that if there is a chance of error, that is where you might make a mistake. Otherwise, it's a simple calculation. Now you have to calculate C. All other values are given to you. Pi is 1.52 bar. Now concentration is molarity, so you should get your answer in moles per liter. So concentration is to be calculated, and 1.52 bar upon R is 0.083 bar liter per Kelvin per mole. So the mole would go in the numerator now. And temperature into T, which is 300 Kelvin. So let us see, let us cancel out all the units. Bar and bar gets cancelled, and concentration should be in moles per liter. Kelvin and Kelvin get cancelled, and per mole, which means that mole goes up here. So you will get 1.52 upon 0.083 into 300. And what are the units? Here you have liter in the denominator, and what is the unit in the numerator? Mole goes up. So you will have mole here, or we could write as mole per liter is the unit. So when you solve the numerical part of this, what will you get? You will get 0.061. 0.061 mole per liter, which is equal to molarity. That is moles per liter, or capital M. So 0.061 molar solution would be the concentration of the solution. So this was osmotic pressure. With this, I'll wind up this short video. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, recommend it to your friends, and please keep returning for more videos in chemistry. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye for now.